want to give you the quick facts about the Polaris VRX IQ Smart Robotic Pool Cleaning System. There's so many great things to know. I'm gonna give you the quick facts for this big investment. Everybody wants their pool cleaner to work for years to come, and that's just what we found here. Here are our favorite features. First, the smart cleaning cycle mode. Complete cleaning in less time. The smart cycle cleaning mode will assess your pool shape, size, and determine the different options. We'll show you that on the base here in a minute. The full featured iAquaLink app control is awesome. It will easily schedule your recurring cleaning. So easy, you can make changes remotely if you need it. Third, a favorite feature for me is the Vortex vacuum technology. It has this 4-wheel capability here and these dual suction propellers that cast the dirt into this system here, which sucks it in and completely takes away the dirt and debris from the pool. The 70-foot cable is tangle-free. It swivels throughout the pool cleaning process, which keeps it from being hung up in a certain area. It is so easy to use. And another great feature, probably could be the top feature, is the illuminated debris canister. It's so easy to clean up. This canister right here, when it's in the pool at night, you can see, and it cleans from the front. That might be my very favorite feature. Press that button and disengage in the front of the machine, not under. You don't have to tip it over. So it's this great base. The machine itself is so great. It has 4 different cleaning modes that you can select from by simply pressing each one. And you can also let it run in smart mode for the first time, and it adapts personally to your specific pool and the different things that it needs to adjust to. And then you can save that setting and use it every day, or you can set it to run on certain days of the week. When you tap this, it starts to run the countdown right away. When you have that set up automatically, it is not a problem. It also has this feature here that tells you when the debris needs to be emptied. It has a lift system where you can lift it up safely. This model comes with a handle as well and a rolling cart that gets it out of the weather when you need to. The iAquaLink is very easy to set up, this app on your phone, and it makes it a remote control. It is so great because you can control the days, the time, which mode that you want. And also you can do it remotely or have it set completely to run even when you don't touch it. Saved a little debris here on this pool shelf so you can see how it cleans. Go, little buddy. You will love having this helper for your pool. Look how it climbs the walls.